cataracts and hearing aids and glasses, polydent and fixident and false teeth in glasses, pacemakers, golf carts and porches with swings. These are a few of my favorite things. When the pipes creak, when the bones creak, when the knees go bad, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad. Hot tea and crumpets and corn pads for bunions, no spicy hot food or food cooked with onions, bathrobes and heat pads and hot meals they bring. These are a few of my favorite things. Back pains, confused brains, and no fear of shinning, thin bones and fractures and hair that is sinning. And we won't mention our short shrunken frames when we